Anki Overdrive.
What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence equipped with advanced weaponry designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad taking you out once again. Anki Overdrive. Drive the future.
Ever wanted to get your kids out of the house and experience real-world fun? Introducing Arrow, the first electric smart cart for kids. Arrow Smart-Kart hosts its own Wi-Fi, allowing for direct pairing with the Actev app on your smartphone. Parents have the ability to set the maximum speed of Arrow and define a safe driving area for your kids. As your driver's skills increase, so can the maximum speed. Real driving fun with supervision at your fingertips. Enjoy skill-based driving games with friends. Arrow includes many of the technology features found in advanced cars today, like collision avoidance sensors, with app alerts. You can even help the driver to make an emergency stop, or just select a gear like park. Play in the real world. Get active.
The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. You shall find all remains to be discovered.
Wonderfully.